Hi again, and here in this video, we're going to walk through on how to add bank accounts, manage your checkbooks, and connect your bank for automatic syncing, all in one place. Let's begin with the first section. Let's start by adding a bank account. Click the Add button to create a new account. Choose the type of account you want to create, for example, a blank check account or a pre-printed check account. You can also choose Other account. Over here, it's pretty simple. You can start by entering your bank details including account name, routing number, and account number. If you need, you can also upload a signature to appear on printed checks, or you could use your mouse to actually make your signature. Once everything is set, click Save, and your bank account is now ready to use inside the checkbook. Now let's move to the second section for checkbooks, where all transactions are managed. The checkbook view, over here you can see all checks including check number, payee, amount, and status. In check preview, you can instantly preview any check to view full details and layout. Assign PO, you can link checks directly to invoices or purchase orders. Select the relevant entries and save to keep everything connected. Check reconciliation. Reconciliation allows you to match your checks with your bank records. Simply mark checks as reconciled when they match your bank activities. Check verification. This adds an extra layer of control. You can mark checks as verified to confirm accuracy before final processing. On balance adjustments, if there's a mismatch in your account balance, you can use balance adjustment. Open model, select the date, review the current balance, and enter the correct ending balance. The system calculates the difference and applies an adjustment. This adjustment doesn't just change a number, it creates a system-generated transaction that updates your balance. If you do not see any changes immediately, make sure the adjustments are saved and refresh the data. And the last section, which is Plaid setup. Finally, you can connect your bank for automatic syncing using Plaid. Select your account and click Connect. You can continue with or without entering a phone number. Search and select your bank, log in securely through your bank's portal. After logging in, choose the account you want to connect and confirm access. Once connected, your bank data, including balances and transactions, syncs automatically. And that's how you add banks, manage your checkbooks, and keep everything synced all in one place. So that is it for setting up your bank. I'll see you guys in our next video.